Hello, everyone. Welcome back. Today, we're diving into The One Thing by Gary Keller and Jay Papasan. This book reveals a powerful secret to success. By focusing on the one thing that makes everything else easier or unnecessary, you can achieve extraordinary results. Let's go through the key lessons and explore some practical tips for how to find and focus on your one thing every day. Lesson 1. The power of focusing on one thing. The main idea in The One Thing is to identify and focus on the single most important task that drives progress toward your goals. Keller calls this your one thing, the task that has the greatest impact on your success. Practical tip: ask yourself, what's the one thing I can do today that will make everything else easier or unnecessary? Write this question down and use it daily to prioritize your tasks. Lesson 2. The domino effect. Keller introduces the domino effect to explain how focusing on one task can create a chain reaction, leading to other accomplishments. Just like one domino can knock over many others, doing your one thing can create momentum. Practical tip: start with one high-impact habit or task. For example, if your goal is to get healthier, focus on the one thing that could have the biggest impact, like drinking more water or exercising daily. Over time, this can lead to other positive habits, creating a domino effect. Lesson 3. Setting goals with a purpose. Keller emphasizes the importance of setting goals with a clear purpose. Instead of vague goals like be more successful, set specific goals that align with what truly matters to you. Practical tip: define your long-term goals and break them down into smaller, actionable steps. Use the goal setting to the now method by setting 5-year goals, then 1-year, monthly, weekly, and daily goals to help you stay on track. Lesson 4. Time blocking. One of the most powerful tools in The One Thing is time blocking. Time blocking is dedicating a set period each day to work on your one thing without interruptions. It's about building a routine around what matters most. Practical tip: block 2 to 4 hours in your schedule each day for your one thing. During this time, turn off notifications, close unnecessary tabs, and avoid multitasking. Protect this time as if it were a meeting with yourself. Lesson 5. The importance of saying no. To succeed in your one thing, you must say no to distractions and less important tasks. Keller stresses that saying no is crucial to saying yes to what truly matters. Practical tip: identify what tasks, meetings, or commitments are draining your time without adding value. Politely decline these and explain that you need to focus on your priority tasks. Saying no is a skill. Practice it to create space for your one thing. Lesson 6. The myth of multitasking. Keller argues that multitasking is inefficient and prevents us from doing our best work. By trying to do too many things at once, we dilute our focus and make more mistakes. Practical tip: focus on one task at a time. Set a timer for 25 to 50 minutes and work on your one thing without interruption. This will help you get more done with greater focus and better quality. Lesson 7. Building the right environment. Keller suggests building an environment that supports your goals. This means removing distractions, setting up a workspace that inspires you, and surrounding yourself with people who support your focus on the one thing. Practical tip: create a workspace that helps you stay focused. Clear away clutter, keep important tools close by, and maybe add an inspirational quote or photo to remind you of your goals. Also, communicate with friends and family about your focus hours so they know to respect that time. Lesson 8. Tracking progress and adjusting. Constantly tracking your progress helps you stay motivated and on track. Keller recommends adjusting as you go to ensure you're always moving toward your goals. Practical tip: at the end of each week, review your progress on your one thing. Ask yourself, did I achieve what I set out to this week? If not, adjust your plan for the upcoming week to get back on track. Taking action on your one thing. That's a wrap on The One Thing. Keller's message is simple but powerful. Focusing on what matters most leads to extraordinary results. Here's a quick recap. Identify your one thing by asking, what will make everything else easier or unnecessary? Set specific goals that align with your purpose. Time block daily for focused work on your priority task. Say no to distractions and multitasking. Create a supportive environment and track your progress. Thank you for watching. Make sure to apply these tips to your daily life, and you'll start seeing results. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights and book summaries.
See you next time.